How to find your saved passwords on Android. This tutorial shows you how to access all your saved passwords through your Google Password Manager on your Android device. First, open the Google app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From there, tap on Manage Your Google Account to open your account settings. At this point, you'll see a row of tabs at the top. The first one is Personal Info, followed by Security and Sign In, then Google Password, and then Third-Party Apps. In the next step, tap on the Security and Sign In tab to open your security settings. Following this, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Once done, you'll find Google Password Manager at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to open it. From here, you'll see a complete list of all your saved passwords to your Google account from every app and website you've ever logged into. At this stage, scroll through the list and tap on any account you want to view the saved credentials for. After this, tap on the eye icon next to the password field to reveal the saved password. Finally, you may be prompted to verify your identity using your fingerprint or device PIN before the password is displayed. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you find your saved passwords, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.